Lo sta sotto.
Che cazzo se ne da fare?
Questo va finire.
Eh sì, che cazzo parte questo tempo?
The roads in front of Ponze, the road that connect the island with Formia in the Market of the Way. The ship brought that Formia left an hour late today. In the dead afternoon, he was still on his way, leaving Ponze at 3:15 p.m. Arrival is expected around 20:45 in Formia. Torrential rain combined with the dry soil from unrelated have led to significant flash flooding in this region. Such large cities have experienced serious disruption in the transport infrastructure. Streets are flooded with the water and metro stations are closed. Gust of winds were also recorded near, due to which the related were suspended. A strong thunderstorm jerked another dozen due to fallen trees and collapsing roofs. That some storm produced when a gust in excess 113 miles per hour. Bad weather is a raging in Lazio, but not only. Severe storms such across Italy and snow even at very low altitude. Storm winds with a cyclone rotation around the low between Basilicata and Campania when it gets up to 100 km/h. In the lower part of Tyrrhenian Sea, the Sicilian, Ionian, Adriatic stars, and as a result strong storms such along the open coast. The situation is less critical in the westmost basins in the upper Tyrrhenian Sea. Deepening in the region of Tyrrhenia over the past few hours has assured the future of a real cyclone. The wind surrounding is the region and something exceeded gusts of up to 100 km/h and the sea was stormy.